Hey there.
Hey, good morning. You found Learning to Surf, where I analyze my surfing to help you with yours. I'm Nathaniel Fife. Today, I'm going to be working on floaters. So I'm getting ready to go. It's pretty cold out here. It's 29 degrees. The ocean's going to be 59-degree water, so it's going to be pretty cold. But I'm going anyway. I'm kind of crazy going out. I don't have any gloves or booties or a hood, but I'm gonna make what I do. It's cold, it's raining, so I take it back. It's hailing, so.
I have one video for you today on floaters. See the link in the description. Also check out the floaters playlist on my channel.
As you approach the section, guide your board on top of the lip with your front foot, whilst trying to remove your weight on top of the board by compressing your body. Once on top of the lip or section of the wave, counterbalance by shifting the weight between your feet, whilst keeping centred over the top of the board. Try to ride along the lip of the wave as far as the wave will allow. As you see the lip or the section you're approaching begin to break properly, use your shoulders and your head to direct you towards the landing. Keep your eyes focused on the landing spot and your arms outstretched for balance.
So here I'm out in the water. It's very cold. You can see my hands are stinging, trying to stay warm, hugging myself, keep moving. But I'm out there. First wave I catch. I'm really stiff on this wave. My legs are far apart. Definitely not a floater type wave to take. This next one, I'm just too tired or too zapped of energy and slow to even catch that wave. But we'll see. This next one, I'm able to catch. Just not much of a wave. Can't really get ahead of it. Here again, I catch it. I think because I'm cold and stiff, I'm not getting my front foot, my feet far enough in front of the board, so I'm kind of dragging the tail and slowing me down. And also my lackluster paddle is making it so I'm not getting ahead of these waves, but I'm just really cold out there. Every time a wave hits me, it's like an ice cream headache, just without the ice cream. Just sitting there waiting for waves, trying to stay warm. Definitely doing this to get some floaters, hoping that there was some good waves, but I couldn't find anything. Yeah, getting slammed by those waves just really hurt. So, I was out there, I was thinking, let me just find another wave and catch, just give me one floater, please. Give me something to put in this video. Out there for you guys, so like and subscribe. Comment if you've ever been out cold like this and just sticking it out. So here that wave just crashed over me. I was looking at it like, please no. But this next one, I catch this wave. Almost good, still didn't get enough speed or something to get ahead of the section and to get a floater on it. At this point in the day, I'm just saying, let me just get one more. And here, this next wave was actually my best wave of the day. Right there, if I had been able to curve up and get on top of that and get a floater, but I didn't take it, couldn't take it. So I'm thinking here, just give me a couple more, but I'm just too tired and done. And I'm just sapped of energy as I'm actually surfing backwards on that wave. So, just getting battered. I call it quits here and just take the next wave in. Try to ride it in, but it's think, oh, let me try to get up. No, not gonna happen.
Whew. So cold, you guys. I don't know if I've ever been this cold before in my life. That was not one of my better ideas. So I tried to do some floaters, but I was just too cold. The waves weren't coming as I wanted them. So, so that's that.